So a much faster way that I could have solved this problem, rather than drawing out those 5 pies, cutting them into halves, is I could have used division. So I know that I could simply just divide 10 by 2, which equals 5. So if I have the improper fraction of 15 over 2 as a mixed number, how can I know how many whole pies there are and how many pieces are left over? So you want to take 15 and divide it into sets of 2 pieces. And I want to know how many full sets there are and if there are any extra pieces. So we could use division to do this. And then obviously the leftover would be the remainder. So if you have 15 divided by 2, well, let's skip count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 15 divided by 2 is 7. So that's this part here. And then you have a remainder of 1. There's this 1 left over here. Okay, so 15 divided by 2 gives you 7 whole pies, because the answer is 7. And then it gives us 1/2 left over. So we just went from an improper fraction, which was 15 over 2, and then we went to a mixed fraction, which is 7.5. So let's do this one here. So here we have 15 quarters, or 15 fourths, and we have changed it into 3 and 15 fourths. So we have the improper number, and we have the mixed number. Well, how do we do this? Well, we have 15 divided by 4, which equals 3, and then a remainder of 3. So your remainder is what's left over. So now if we want to do this one here, we have, let's make our improper fraction first. So we have 3, 6, and then 7 shaded pieces, and each pie is divided into 3. So now we're going to do 7 divided by 3. Well, I know 3 can go into 7 twice, which would get me to 6. And then there's 1 left over. That's going to be my numerator. My denominator is always going to be how many pieces are in each pie. And there's 3 pieces. So my mixed fraction is going to be 2 and 1/3. Now, how did I get this? Well, I went 3 times the 2 plus the 1, which is going, oh, sorry, that should have been a 1, which is going to give me 7. 7's how many pieces we started with. To show the other way, to prove this, I could do 7 divided by 3, which gives me 2, remainder of 1. So there's multiple ways that I can show you how we just did this. Let's do one more together. So here we have 4 pieces, 8 pieces, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 over 4, because each pie is divided into 4. Then I'm going to do 11 divided by 4, which is 2. That gets me to 8. And then my extra pieces, it would be a remainder of 3. And there's 4 pieces on each pie. So my improper fraction and my mixed fraction. Now we can check both of those. So I can do 4 times the 2 plus the remainder of 3, which is going to get me to 11. And then I can check the division, which was 11 divided by 4, which equals 2, and a remainder of 3. Now here's some ones for you to practice on your board, on your whiteboards, before you begin your assignment for today. You're going to write the improper fraction as a mixed number. So you're given the improper, you're writing it as a mixed. Remember, you can download those model notes from your Power Learning dashboard if you need a reminder of these steps of how to do this. So now if I don't have a picture to go off of, we need to remember the division steps that we were going off of. So this model notes is there. So here we have 2 1/4, which equals 2 full pies times the 4 plus the 1/4, which equals 9. So our mixed number is 9 quarters. So now if we didn't have a picture, if I'm not drawing this out, all we can do is we can do 7 divided by 2. Okay, so if I need to do long division, we put the 7 inside, the 2 goes here. Well, 2 goes into 7 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. And then I can subtract, which is 1. So I have 3, remainder 1. So my whole number is going to be 3. My remainder is going to be the numerator, and then my denominator is going to stay as the 2. You're going to complete page 148 to 149 of your Jump Math book for your assignment, and then you're going to check in with me before you begin your exit ticket.